So this is what from here you can't really tell the rain, and it's I hear trash cans. I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but yeah, we were supposed to get that tropical storm Arthur, but it kind of turned direction. So we're in Virginia, and it kind of turned direction. So let me show you what the weather is out there without getting my phone all wet. Okay, so this is what quickly out here that looks like. So yeah, that's what the weather is. Let's see. Okay, I'm making some soup, but the cups don't go in the microwave, and then we have to go to some school pick up this award. So we're back at the school. Samuel is we got our email saying about awards. So Samuel think he got a service award. So yeah, so Samuel's there. He's just asking about it. Yeah, so anyway, so today it's just been we weren't sure we were gonna make it. Oh, there's Samuel. Let's see Samuel. Okay, let's see, there he is. Oh, there's Samuel. Let's see.
It's the package, and if I remember how to open this.
So what's the word did you get it for?
It says Conceptual Catholic High School Certificate of Award. This certifies that on May 19, 2020, Samuel Livingston has been awarded a certificate for achievement in conceptual physics.
What? Oh, okay. I thought it was a service award.
Yeah.
Wow. Physics. Ha! That's it? And then you got a brochure saying what all the awards are, who got the awards, so it's pretty neat. Oh my goodness, Samuel. Okay, so this is the best light. I'm in the kitchen now. Compared to being outside, but Jason took my car since I parked right behind him. We're still waiting for them to come get the bags of leaves that me and Samuel did. See, Jason took my car because I parked right behind him. Usually I park out there, but since we put the trash cans out there, I park right in that spot. But it's still rainy, gloomy, and all that. But yeah, let me see. I'll take you in the backyard to take a look out there. So yeah, so Samuel did get that conceptual physics, which shocked me and Samuel. He didn't think he would get. We were thinking service. But yeah, they were supposed to, if he would, I think there was only 20 students out of the 9th grade that got awards. So, and then there was, and classmates got like multiple awards. So like I saw like history. Samuel's not great at history, but I saw algebra, I saw physics, I saw all the classes that Samuel has taken. I saw Spanish in there, and so yeah, But anyway, alright, well, let me get you back there and I'll talk some more. I'm gonna flip it. Okay, so this is what it looks like out here. It's still breezy and cold. But it stopped raining. But our backyard gets really like muddy and all that. To get Bagel awake. Alright, let's go. I know it's so cold out here. Go ahead. So, I'm gonna go stay in here. Oh, he goes out there. He goes runs. He does not like his paws being wet, so he'll use the restroom along the edges. And Fiona ran around the corner. She likes the rain, but he comes back. He comes back in, and with him being 13, gonna be 14 in October, he just does not like his paws being wet. I don't blame him. There's Fiona. Alright, Fiona, come on in. Come on in. Come on in. Oh, yeah, I know. You can fit in that little door. Bagel? Not yet? Alright, I guess we'll wait for him. There he is. There's Bagel. Alright, come on in. Come on. Now it's getting a little windy, if you can tell. Ooh, now it's starting to rain. Come down. Okay, so that's how our day went. I have some dinner to cook later on, so not much more. So I think I'm gonna upload this video and try to get it up. I've been slacking lately. I've been vlogging on my phone. I still am new to vlogging on my phone and everything, so I have the vlog I have to upload, I think yesterday, and then I have this vlog to upload. So I have two back-to-back vlogs to upload, and then it takes time to upload on my app and all that, and that's how I do it. I upload on my app, and then I make the movie and I upload it to YouTube. And I think I already explained this before, but alright, well, I'm gonna get going, and I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you guys in our next video.